my channel, and we have officially crossed 1000 subscribers. I'm so happy that you people are part of my family now, and for all of those who still haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit that red button right there, also hit that bell notification to be notified every time I upload a video. For today's video, I have my Hill Road and Colaba haul. This video was so requested by all of you. I posted a picture on my Instagram saying that there will be a haul video coming up soon. So for all of those who do not know what Colaba and Hill Road has, so this basically is like a flea market. You get things and clothes and accessories at really nominal prices. I have bought a lot of stuff at really reasonable prices and I'm so excited to share it with you people. Also, this video has my first ever huge giveaway. The giveaway will be at the end of the video, so make sure you stick along till the end to be a part of the giveaway. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So I'm going to start with what I bought from Bandra Hill Road first. Before I start, I want to give a disclaimer that I went on a Saturday, so that is a big no. Do not venture out for Hill Road or for Colaba Causeway on a Saturday because it's complete chaos. I will be adding a few clips for you to see what kind of a mayhem was there, but it was insane. Still, I managed to shop a lot and shop really good pieces. So learning from my mistakes, do not go on the weekends, carry a big bag, carry a water bottle and have a lot of change in your hand. Now starting with what I've bought from Bandra Hill Road. The first thing on my list is this really nice stripes blue and white tie-up shirt. So this is a big trending item in my wardrobe right now because this has everything that is fashionable. This has the right stripes, it has the right patches, the patchwork which is so in nowadays, and the tie-up sleeve with the tie-up waistband. So this is an amazing buy that I found. I think this was for 250 rupees. Almost everything that I picked up from Bandra Hill Road was 250 rupees. I think one or two things they were ready to reduce this to 200, but mostly it was just for 250 rupees. This I feel is a steal in 250 rupees, and I will be styling this. If you want me to do a video about styling all these clothes that I bought from Colaba as well as the Hill Road, make sure you mention that in the comments below and I shall do it. Next, I have a very pretty dress. Now, I feel this is the best buy from all the things that I've bought from Bandra or from Colaba. This is an off-shoulder stripe dress. Now, this is a knee-length dress in a very soft cotton material. I'm obsessed with this material for the summers and also for the rainy season because it's really sticky and you need a breathable material. What I love is this dress comes with ruffles. Also, this says that it is from Papaya. Now, I feel such dresses which come with a tag are surplus when they come from the export department. Another thing is the colors of this dress. Now these are really beautiful English colors that I love wearing for the summer. Next, I have two basic shirts in a really soft linen / cotton material. Now I love the color, I love the flowy material that it has. I'm a person who does not like to dress a lot. I just like to put on a nice loose shirt and carry a sling with it. That's how I like to carry myself. I don't know if the camera is catching the right color. This is that very beautiful peacock blue color. I picked up two colors of the same. One which is in my size, this is a normal small size one, and another I picked up in an XL. Now this looks really good with like a gunji, and this goes amazing for an airport look. Next thing from Bandra Hill Road was this dress that I picked up. Now I really loved this dress a lot when I saw it. It has this nice elastic at the back which acts like a corset. Also it gives you a very nice shape to your body and it sticks to your body. It also has padding in the front which makes it easier to wear. I love how the palm leaves look. It's really summerish again. I basically went out for summer shopping and this was one thing that I had to buy. So Bandra has a lot of these dresses. They have dark prints, they have floral prints, and they have prints like these. So if you like something like this, then make sure you go to Bandra Hill Road and get one of these for yourself. Next and the last thing from Bandra Hill Road was this nice singlet that I'm wearing right now. This is a nice cotton based spaghetti that I bought. So I love wearing stuff like this for summers. I cannot think of wearing stuff like that. Full sleeve shirt that is just for the winters or maybe for the rainy season as well. But something like this goes perfectly for summers. Next is the stuff that I bought from Colaba Causeway. Now I want to tell you people that Colaba Causeway is amazing for accessories. So Bandra is a place where you should be visiting if you want to buy good clothes, but if you want to buy amazing accessories, then Colaba Causeway should be a destination. I did happen to find a good number of clothes from Colaba as well, but nothing as good as what I found from Bandra. So without making you wait further, I'm going to start by showing you what I bought from Colaba Causeway. The first thing that I bought from Colaba Causeway was again a singlet. Now I'm obsessed with spaghettis and singlets for the summer. I love light blue, light pink, lemon, such light colors which make me feel that this too shall pass and summer shall pass. This is a very nice peplum singlet. Now the one thing that I noticed in this was this says it's from Atmosphere, and I just removed the tag, but it came with the tag as well. Also the one thing that attracted me to it was very nice floral embroidered detailing that they have on the top. Next is a maxi dress. Now this is a style which I haven't tried before. This is something that isn't my style, but I wanted to experiment, and this is a very nice full-length maxi dress. One thing that I did not like in it was the straps at the back. I wanted it to be naturally tailored, but this works pretty well. I tried wearing it and it looks really nice. I'm still wondering how I'm gonna style this, but I loved how they have feathers in the center. Also I loved the print. The one drawback that I felt in this was it does not come with a lining, so it's pretty transparent. I'm actually looking for something that I can wear inside and then wear this. If I style this, I will be posting it on my Instagram, and if you still don't follow me on my Instagram, here's my Instagram ID. Make sure you follow me there as well. Next on my list is this really nice quirky smart t-shirt. Now it says Chill Babe. I love this t-shirt. It was just for 100 rupees. I loved the collar with the red and white and black. I love that the same pattern was there on the sleeves as well. It's something that you can easily find at say a Forever 21 or H&M. So I saw this and I was like, okay, Chill Babe, you gotta buy this. Next, talking about Forever 21, I happened to find a kimono which says that it is from Forever 21 in the size medium. It has a label. This is a beautiful kimono. It has a floral print. The best part is it has the tassels. I love things with tassels, and I saw this and the man quoted this for around 500 rupees, and just because this was in my hand, I got him 4 more customers and they were hanging on to my kimono saying that they want this. Then I called the vendor aside and I was like, listen, I've got you 3 more customers, you better give me a discount of this. So I managed to bring this down to 300 rupees, which I'm very proud of. Next and the last clothing item is these cute shorts which I got just for 70 rupees. Now I love the print again. It is a very nice floral print, but this exact print is available in Marks and Spencer's. What I loved about these shorts is the frill detailing that's there at the bottom. So that was the last clothing item in my haul. Next I'm going to show you my accessories. Now I'm not somebody who accessorizes a lot, but I found like really good pieces. So if you're in Colaba Causeway, you have to get yourself some nice silver jewelry. Now the first thing that I bought in my accessories is this really nice necklace. I like the fact that it's close to the neck because nowadays chokers are everywhere. So I like the fact that it starts right on my neckline, and I like the small coins at the end. It has such a nice boho feel. Something like this and a lot more is available at Colaba. If you are one of those who loves investing in big huge neck pieces and earrings, jhumkas, then you must visit Colaba Causeway. The next thing is these earrings. I'm not too much into earrings, but I saw these earrings and I thought they're really versatile. They can be worn with your Indian clothes. The another thing that I noticed was it can be worn as a mang tika as well. So I thought a single buy of this could serve a lot of purposes for me. This he started with rupees 350, and like I said, it was chaotic in Colaba Causeway. Like it happened twice that I was just pushed along the herd for a kilometer at the end of Colaba and then had to come back, take a U-turn and start from the very beginning. And twice this happened with me. The third time I really analyzed and thought how people are working it out here. You just need to do this and push in. So if you really like something and you want to buy it and the vendor is not ready to listen to you, either you go out screaming and screeching, "Bhaiya, listen to me, I'm right here," or you just squeeze in and get in. That's the only way to survive on weekends in Colaba Causeway. So if you don't want that to happen, make sure you have all your weapons in handy, and by weapons I mean your hands, and you're ready to push and nudge people and fight for your right and get your earrings. So these are just for 100 rupees and I feel that is such a steal. Next and the last thing on my accessories list is this really nice neck piece. And now this is a dream catcher in silver and black. So there were a ton of dream catchers, like the original dream catchers with feathers and all, but I found this to be really rustic. This can be paired with tops, dresses, just about anything. This was for 150 rupees. I was happy giving 150 rupees for this because I really love this piece. Next is the most amazing thing that I bought from Colaba Causeway, and that is my handbag. I found this really beautiful baby pink tote handbag there. It was just for 500 rupees. This handbag is something that I was looking for. I had seen something like this in a grey color at Zara a day before I went to Mumbai. The only difference was that it was grey in color and the stitching was cleaner as compared to this and a bit of more intricate work. But all in all, if you see the entire bag, it is the exact copy of what Zara has in stores right now. It has this magnetic close button. Also with this you get another small pouch inside in which you can keep a bit of your makeup and your money. So I love this bag and this is the star purchase of the haul. Now that's it for all the stuff that I bought from Colaba Causeway and Bandra Hill Road. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now for the big announcement, that is my giveaway. For my giveaway, I have this really nice hamper that has been curated just by me. All these products that I will be showing you in some time are religiously used by me. This is basically a summer / beauty hamper. All these products have been used intensively by me and have been loved by me. So I wanted to share it with you people. So let me start by showing what all I have in this hamper. Starting with the packaging, this comes in a really nice net basket. The first thing inside the basket is a Maybelline compact. This is the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact in the SPF 28. Again, all these things are summer friendly. You need an SPF and I have got you all covered. Next is a sunscreen. This sunscreen is by Neutrogena. It is their Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock in the SPF 50. Next is a kajal. Now kajal is a must in everybody's vanity. This is a waterproof kajal by Miss Claire. This does not budge and does not bleed at all. Next, I have two of my favorite lip shades from Miss Claire. Now Miss Claire Cosmetics has these really nice soft matte lip shades. The first one being a really nice tomato red color and the second one is a nice fuchsia pink color. So you cannot have enough of bright lipsticks for the summer, and one of you lucky winners is going to have these two. Next, I have two nail paints. Both the nail paints are matte. They dry out completely matte and stay for at least 4 to 5 days. This being in a white shade and this one being in a really nice neon pink. Again, these colors are a must for the summer. Next and the last thing in my basket is this really nice body wash by Nivea. This is their Power Fruit body wash. It has antioxidants and blueberry scent. Basically, I find this to be really helpful for the summer because it does not leave that greasy residue on your skin after having your bath. Now that is something that I hate in body washes. There's another flavor that I loved in this range, that was their Firangi Pani. Again, that fragrance is really fresh and really citrusy, whereas I thought for the summers it's really nice to smell all fruity and delicious. And this is all for the hamper. I hope you guys like it. This is the love that I want to share back to you amazing 1,000 people who have subscribed to my channel. So if there's any confusion as to how you want to enter in this giveaway, make sure to check the description box. Firstly, you have to give this video a big thumbs up. Secondly, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Thirdly, you have to share the post or the video on your social media sites. It could be either Facebook or Instagram, and tag 2 of your friends who would like to win this hamper. And lastly, you have to leave a comment below stating why you want to win this hamper. Also, I want to wish each one of you all the very best. I hope the best person wins. Till the next time, I love you. Bye.